Hi students, welcome back. In the previous lecture, we add the functionality in our Jarvis AI assistant to tell us time. Now we are gonna add the functionality in our assistant to tell us date. For that purpose, we are gonna use the same date time module. So let's go back to the Jupyter notebook so we can look at the practical work. I will use the def keyword to create add function date year datetime dot datetime dot now. It means what's the year now dot year and month is equal to date time dot date time dot now dot month and day for the day date time dot date time dot now dot day. We are going to speak function to speak what the year now, to speak what is a month now, and to speak what is a day now. I'm also gonna print it year, month and day as well. Let's run this code. We have to call the function to run the code under the indentation level of this function.
2022 7 7.
You can see the year is 2022 and month is 7, which is July, and the date is also 7, which is 7. So it is okay, or we can use like short this code and get the date, all the like date, period, month and day in one line. So we're gonna use a string format time, which we used earlier in the previous lecture. So let's see how we can use it. Def date equal at date time dot date time dot now dot strf time percentage a colon percentage small d colon. I will tell you representation of these keywords a d and d. Let me complete this code first. The percentage a keyword tells us the full day, like what's the day, and percentage small d tells us date, what is the date today, and percentage b tells us the month, and this tells us the year. So let's using speak function date and print this date as well. Let's run this code. Let's call this function.
Thursday 07 July 2022.
Now you can see our percentage capital A style is a complete day. Complete day is Thursday. And that's a day in date is 7th. B tells us the month, complete day, name of the month, and capital Y tells us a year. So it's Tuesday. So now it's Thursday, 7th of July 2022. So this is better than the previous one. So we will like read this code. So we don't need it. But you must have learned it. But we can do it either this way or the way. I will prefer this one. So I'm gonna read this one. If you wanna like delete the cell, you just need to like select the cell and press this scissor icon, and again the scissor icon. If you wanna like add this cell under it or above it, you can select the cell The plus sign will get a cell under it. If you want to move it above, you can use this button, or do down, you can use this button. Let's move to the next lecture. Thank you.